Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can use the elements option and how you can add the shape into your video. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to go to the element section, and after going to the element section, as you can see, all the things are divided into group wise. As you can see in the shape section, here you will be able to see the shapes. As you can see in the line and frame section, here you will be able to see the lines and frames as well. In the social media section, here you will be able to see the social medias. For example, if you want to add this one, you have to click on this option and it will be added into your timeline and on the screen as well. If you want to increase the size, you can also do that. So I'm going to drag this here. So as you can see, now shape is added here. If you want to add another shape, you can also do that. I'm going to click on this option. As you can see, now the shape is also added here. If you want to decrease the size of the shape, you can also do that, or if you want to drag this here, you can also do that. So in this way you can add the shape. If you want to add some other shapes, like the Eid al-Fitr and Japan, and all the shapes are added here. You just need to select those shapes, that which shape you want to add. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can add the graphics and the elements into your video. So see you guys in the next video.